Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Touch Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the water pump, this one that you see right here. This water pump was not pushing water through the system, and that's why, because the system was completely clogged with scale buildup. This hose right here was completely clogged. This other hose right here was completely clogged. The ones over there on the three-way solenoid assembly were completely clogged as well. It was really rough to remove every single connection out there and clean them out and put it back together. After we did that, we had some water coming out through here where there was still a lot of scale buildup inside. So we did a full tank of descaling solution through the entire machine, and then we did another one completely to rinse it, and then another one to rinse it again as well. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. Right now, the machine can do water with no problems. Let me just slow it down. Go. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. That's coming out from the water pump for the water spout. And now we can go over here. We can see the flow coming out through the group head. Nice steady flow coming out through there. Working excellent. And now we're going to be testing the steamer, which as well we had to disassemble the steamer in order to completely unclog it. There was both scale buildup and coffee and milk buildup inside. As you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the one. Excellent pressure coming out of there. Working excellent. So there you have it, Breville Barista Espresso working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repping Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.